Hi Jubar bhai, how are you?
Yeah, hello brother. I'm fine. What about you?
I'm doing good. Had some hectic weekend. It has been many days. I was actually missing you. I was wondering why Jubar bhai is not joining.
Yeah, after a long time later, I joined.
Hi Jubar
Yeah,
bhai, how are you?
when I see you set the time 9 past 30,
Yeah,
then I did not notice. One day later, I noticed it.
yeah,
Well, I entered the Gmail.
yeah,
Then I see. Then I saw that you started the program 9 past 30,
yeah,
and I
yeah,
tried to join,
yeah.
but there is a
Elect-
electricity issue.
Okay, so I think the electricity issue is now everywhere, right? So
Yes,
we
most
are.
of the time is 9 or 10 10 p.m. 9 p.m. or 10 p.m. the electricity gone.
Okay, I'm also facing that. So tell me, how is your life going, and what are you doing right now, and how was the this past weekends? We past weeks we have not talk since 3 or 4 weeks maybe, or maybe then. So
Maybe more than 4 weeks.
yeah. So what you did in these weeks, and how is life is going on? Tell me.
Actually, I just alive first.
Life first. So, do you, what about your job? Are you applying or got any interview call?
No, I did not uh, get any job, or I uh, um, Yes, I told you I gave an interview, but I did not respond from there.
Mhm.
And currently, I am not applying because most of the job is full stack. I see the full stack. Everyone's the full stack guy.
Mhm.
But I am trying to only stay on backend, only backend.
Uh,
Forget about.
why? You back front end is easy to for a cracking
Yes,
for a backend
content
engineer, right?
Content is easy, and I can build project using AI in the front end.
Yeah,
That is not matter, but I need to learn about more things about backend. It's,
you want to be focused, but
yes,
I think but the normal companies like the companies that will give salary at around 20 to 30,000 or 40,000 taka this range, so they are very clever. They don't their customer segment is actually very low. Okay, so their customer
yeah, Bangladeshi, most of the companies I'm not. I'm not caring about the top company, but most of the company is not top company, right?
yeah,
And they 1 to 2 3 years, but their salary is 30 or 35 most
yeah,
for mid or senior.
yeah.
It's really ridiculous.
So they will ask you for they will surely ask for yeah for full stack. They will not settle down for backend.
Yeah,
They are very clever right now.
actually they don't only full stack, they want a whole company, like you can do everything.
Uh,
Okay.
then it's a very common thing. It's a common thing.
To
So
many job requirements, I see he needs everything. Okay. Um,
don't you think that AI has evolved and AI doing the most of the job, then maybe uh, we used to in a past we used to do for focus on front end or back end. Maybe the role of the software development or the roles like smaller companies like this, then we eventually have to do the everything because AI is actually doing the most of the work. Then it is not a problem to be a full stack developer, right? Or maybe you can join the job as a full stack developer, then you can because everything whatever you do, front end work is not that heavy, right? Maybe 2 or 3 days extra, but you eventually the most of the work is on the back end. So eventually if you go to join as a full stack developer, the most of the time you have to give on the back end side, right? Then you are also learning the back end also, then there is no problem. Maybe for some time, for some refreshing your mind, you can just do the front end occasionally. And I think you should join
Yeah,
as a full stack developer.
that's right. Actually, when I tried to work on front end, even I use the AI.
Yeah.
Actually, the front end kill my time. I waste so much time in front end. That the main problem is designing. Okay. Okay. Actually, I will not agree with you. The front end is really easy. Actually, front end is not really easy. If you think the front end is really uh, not easy, not too much complex, but complex. If you
There is.
think the lead code you UI, there is a dynamic. There's lots of state manage, handle to manage, and there is lots of engineering in front end. Okay,
There
but
is. There is.
backend is the core. This is the foundation, or everything stand on backend. It's a huge multi-distributed system, microservice, then code architect, system architecture, system design, everything in related to backend. And so many tech and tools are in backend. It's a huge area.
Yeah, that's true. But comparatively, front end is easy, and even the tools are the same. Whatever you say, you may say that there are many state management you have to do. There's actually one kind of work, then you just have to do it multiple times. That's why it's huge. But for the back end, you have to work with the load balancing. You have to deploy. You have
Yeah,
to
yeah.
code everything,
I
and they
actually
are
got it.
to.
Actually, in backend, there are lots of brands in only in backend.
Yeah.
There are lots of brands in backend, but in frontend only maybe two brands: UI UX design or development.
Yeah.
These
Okay.
two brands only or two department. But in backend, there are lots of DevOps for DevOps whose accountability for deploy or this related, then system design, the architecture, tech team lead who also he responsible for all the system,
Mm.
all front end and back end.
Yeah.
But and so many things, cloud, the network, security, this all related to back end.
Backend. Yeah. So whatever, a good wish to you. Good luck. I think you will find a job. But if I was you, then I will go to for a full stack developer role, and then if I had some chance, then I will just switch back, because job market is not that good right now. So,
Yeah, and
so
still I am seeing the most of the job is higher ranking, actually two or three, higher experience two or three. When I say that two or three experience, I did not apply.
okay, okay, okay. It's actually your concern, your interest, but good luck, good luck. And
Uh,
I actually joined a company. I joined, and there is a startup called Shomadhan. So there is a legal tech. So it was actually from my the founders are actually my alumni from university, the seniors. They were club members, and their startup is actually funded, not that kind of startup that we will do something, just let's do it. Not just they are not probably, they are very serious kind of startup, Shomadhan. And I just joined there a few days. I'm just starting there. They have already built most of the work, but they want some help in the back end. And so I joined up, and just looking at their X tech stack. And as I have to stay home and just work, I can work remotely. That's why I just say yes, and that's it. And I also preparing for IELTS and everything. And my parents are very worried what I will do, and that's everything is going on my life.
that's a good news for you,
Okay.
for me,
Okay.
and I'm really happy that you joined the company.
I don't know. I have to get the payment first. I need actually money. So I am out of money. So yeah, Jubair bhai, did you know about Fastify?
Yeah, Fastify.
Fastify. So they are using Fastify as their backend, and I Supabase as the database. I thought that
Actually,
hmm, Fastify.
actually, yeah, and they use Superbase as a database. Actually, Superbase give a uh, backend as a service
Yeah,
provider.
yeah, yeah. I thought.
I
Yeah.
worked on Superbase. The Superbase is really good, better than Upright or Firebase.
Okay, okay. So I thought that when they said that they are working on Supabase, I thought that their backend is also on the Supabase. But right now, as I am going through the code bases, seeing all everything, and I understand that their backend is actually on Fastify. So they have built everything. They are not putting the backend on the Supabase. They are only using Supabase as a database. So it's actually very uncommon thing, I think.
Yeah,
uh,
actually, it's a clever thing.
Clever thing,
Uh,
yeah.
yes, the
uh,
Superbase give a free, I think, so much free service. Okay, you can build just if your application is running or continue every day,
yeah.
they don't stop. But if your application is idle, they pause the your application or
Oh,
anything.
okay, okay. I
Service.
didn't know that. I thought that Superbase, after few weeks they will charge you. That's why I didn't go use it anymore.
No, you
But
can
I
use free. There is a free limitation, but Superbase another things is Superbase is open source. You can host your own server.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay, okay, okay.
self-hosting service.
I used to work with always go with the AWS relational databases, and so that's why I didn't go with the Superbase. It looked complicated, and I'm actually in a very tricky situation right now. I have worked 1 year with in Python, mostly in Python, everything in
Now you
Python.
are now you are working on
Just
JavaScript, right?
TypeScript. They are using TypeScript,
TypeScript.
and
Yes, JavaScript and TypeScript nothing is
uh,
different. Just
just
add
states.
is
Yeah,
just add static. Oh,
state
not static. So
okay.
I
Type safety, type safety,
script.
TypeScript, type safety. There you are. Yeah,
Yes, TypeScript and it's called when Python. Java and Python is really like a cousin. Huh?
uh,
I think.
I don't think. I think the Python
Yeah,
is better.
yeah.
I think
Python.
Python is
Python.
better in every way.
Yeah, Python is better, but if you see most of there are a lot of similarities in JavaScript and Python.
That is
Use
now, but the problem is that their code base is already built. Okay, so they are pushing code in their dev branches every day, and they are very organized. I must say, so they are or
okay.
yeah.
I want to know one thing
Yeah.
that have you used C or have you tried to learn C plus
C++.
plus?
I used to know when I worked with Arduino and
Yeah.
ESP32, this kind of hardware. I used to do it that, but I tried for problem solving to learn problem solving sometimes, but it didn't work out. And even if I learn C++, the the best I can use it in a problem solving kind of stuff. So like there is no use cases, or so that's why I didn't go it. If I was from a CSC background, then I may use it, but I'm not CSC.
Yeah,
I'm not from a CSC background. That's
when I learned the OOP, object oriented programming, then our university learned with Java. Yeah, Java is
yeah.
more. So many students are struggle on Java. Yeah. Okay.
I didn't
There
try.
is no guest.
I didn't try Java anytime, but I heard that it is very hard, and but
Actually, it is not
hmm,
very hard. I love Java. Java is really good, and his OOP is better than JavaScript or
Python.
Python.
Yeah, yeah.
There's so many concepts
Yeah, I
in
know
Java.
that.
Java and C Sharp are really. It looks they are fully class based,
Hmm.
and most when you see Java and C Sharp, most of this you will be say that both are similar. Just few things are same.
Okay. Yeah, I know that object-oriented programming started from Java, I think, and it's the best. And most of the bank and financial institution they use Java in their backend. It is very secured. But right now, I think most of them are very old databases, old code bases, and that's why nobody actually interested to learn Java anymore. Most of the people are actually doing JavaScript thanks to Programming Hero, and right
Yeah,
now,
there's a big reason. Hey, brother, there is a big reason why Java or JavaScript, otherwise Python. Yeah,
front end and back end,
because when
front end.
you try to run build no front and back end, and I'm not saying about front and back end.
Okay.
When you go to the ChatGPT or any AI, you
Yeah.
just do a build. If you say build a server,
Mm-hmm.
it instantly build a server with Node.js using Express. If you or sometimes use Python,
Mm-hmm.
you, but they prefer Python fast API. The problem is when you in Java, C Sharp, there is a environment. You need an environment. It
Mm.
is not easy that you just build a server, define a server, then run it. It is not easy. In C Sharp, Java, you need to Tomcat. In Java, you need to Tomcat.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
Tomcat is the server. Okay, it's not easy. Just I have just open that and run the server, and it will be run. It
Okay.
is not
Okay.
easy.
Okay.
And there is a
There's
huge mess in Java. Actually, it's trickier and time consuming. But
there's
in
a fair point.
Python, JavaScript, you instantly build any server
Yeah.
without any hassle.
That's a actually fair point. I think I never thought like that. Yeah, that's actually a fair point. Even if you write just JavaScript, I can just run it in the browser, and I don't need many things to that.
Yeah.
So yeah.
I got it from when I actually tried to Spring Boot. Spring Boot is the Java
Framework.
framework.
I know.
Actually, I have a lot of interest with technology. I tried, okay,
Hmm.
and when I tried to build a server, it's a really hassle. So many hassle. You need to this one JDK, JDK, JVM, then another server. So so many hassle. That's why I don't try. But Java language is good. I love that.
Okay. Okay. So it didn't move to Java anymore, right? You are stick to JavaScript or TypeScript in this environment.
No, I learn Go. I know Go syntax, but I try to learn deep dive like system level app.
Hmm.
Okay, CLI application. I try read this.
Hmm.
Actually, I have to plan to move Go language. If I want to move with another language, then I will move to Rust.
Rust. Fair enough, but
Okay, these are languages are close to C. I also love C programming because this is the first language I learned.
okay. Okay, I think
Yeah.
today's conversation is full of programming and nobody has joined. I'm actually facing a problem. People are not joining anymore. And there was a girl used to join. Aisha. What was her name? The girl used to join regularly with you. Did
I forget his name.
uh, what was her name? Uh, Raisa, maybe Raisa, maybe Raisa. Yeah.
Actually, I Yes, yes, yes.
If she watch this, I will. Okay, so Raisa, even I don't know what happened to her. And she is also not joining. And the funny thing is, many people are knocking me or in the YouTube videos. They are commenting. You can also search that. They are commenting. I want to join in this session. Where is the link? Where can I join? In the LinkedIn, they are asking me in the inbox, but I share them. They also fill up the form, but they doesn't join. I don't know why. What is the problem? And maybe what do you think,
It is the
Johan bhai? Yeah.
Bangladeshi people's problem. They have so many interest, or they're showing so many interest, but when times to join any event or any or learn something, but yeah, nobody joined. I also see a post on LinkedIn.
uh,
One brother tried to help people to learn, I think, the foreign language,
uh,
Japanese or German,
yeah.
this type of language. So many people are showing interest, but in live like this live session, or they did not join.
But if he had charged 20 10,000 taka or 7,000
Yes,
taka, they will surely they will join, and even then
yes.
there will be no loss for the brother. And
Actually, when you spend some money, you have to love the money. You not the course. I waste or I spend some money. That's why I need to join.
yeah,
Otherwise, no need to not join.
there is no there's a common thing. But even though if you start charging money for your time, even if I just start charging for this kind of session, maybe if I charge money, then there will be more organized way for IELTS preparation and everything. Then they will say, then they will join, and some will ask, say that they are actually tamis vikreta, or they are
Yes.
well, they will just mocking the person that they are selling courses, the courses are bad, that thing. But there's Bangladeshi mindset is very difficult to understand. I don't know why the people they behave like this. Even if you are doing good works for free, you will be mocked. If you charge for your time, you will be mocked. I it's very difficult to continue.
Okay. Okay. What about the Rwanda people or Rwanda men?
Same. Most of the times they reply through the email. They said that yes, I will join, and then there is no callback. There is no showing for itself. Uh, I think I don't know what will happen.
Yeah,
I thought I thought
there's
I will cancel today's meeting. I will not join, and if I just started, even in the last session I joined, and for 30 minutes no one joined, then I turned off the meeting. Uh, don't know what do you think, Jubair bhai? I should continue this for one day. There should be a gap between one day. I was planning for every day, so I should gap. There is a gap, or I should do more marketing. What should I do?
I don't think keep it every day. If you can keep it the 3 days in a week,
Okay, okay, then
uh, because most of the people to learn speaking English, actually they are job holder, and maybe they are so much busy. That's why they have the family, they have job, and learn new things. It's many things. That's why they did not join, I think.
I think I should send. I thought that I will send everyone email that why you are not joining, but then I remember that I don't care because okay. So when I started these sessions, I knew that people will not join. I knew that people, Bangladeshi people, and even I do this kind of stuff regularly. So I thought that I will not beg everyone to join. Please join. I will not beg anyone, but. I don't have time. Jubair bhai, I am actually preparing for IELTS. So I just bought IELTS because my family is pushing me to finish this IELTS exam and everything. So what do you think if we every night there is a for there is a speaking session, right? Section in the IELTS. So
Yes.
what if there is a book called Make Us English or Speaking English, this kind of stuff. My friend just suggested me there, and wait a minute. Maker IELTS. So Maker IELTS actually a speaking book. So there are some topics, some kind of topics they are discuss on the IELTS exam. So maybe uh, maybe I can, yeah, I can. You can see my screen, right?
Yes, I'm seeing.
uh, what are you seeing right now?
I'm seeing the
Slide?
banner.
Can
Yes,
Canva
slide.
art? Okay, okay, then I have to change it. I Okay, I think. Okay, okay, 1 minute. Solution. Maybe now we'll okay, I have download as.
Oh, brother, you told me about the marketing things. Did you give this link in any Discord
I
group?
didn't. So there was a channel, but there was international
Yeah,
channel.
I see the Discord have a some channel like learning English with
Sorry,
love.
do you know some of this channel? Do you have any link?
Uh, I joined. I think I cannot continue like this Discord and so many social network. When I joined one day, I don't log in the like 17 or 30 day. Okay, I
Yeah.
see. I'm checking just a minute.
So the okay. Let you check first. If there is a channel, then I will. Then even there's actually very embarrassing that joining a channel and just told them join. They will think that I'm spamming or marketing my stuff. This kind of many of the people think that this kind of session is actually I am charging for money while I am selling a course. That actually very embarrassing.
I don't know. There is a big title, free English speaking. They did not notice that.
I tried for many Facebook groups and everything, and even not even a single group approved my post. I tried to reach the admins. They also didn't respond. I think that every English group in Bangladesh and every IELTS group there, so they are actually paid, or they are somehow they are selling some courses. So they are actually very which is the market. Okay, so I was talking about this book, Jubair bhai. So there are topics like describe a child who loves drawing, painting. Describe one of the friends who learned this kind of teacher. So I was thinking that how about from now on, every day we will join, and even I will share this PDF with you, so we can actually discuss any of the topic. What do you say? Or any of these, for it's actually speaking English test, right? So I think they have also some solving or anything. Yeah, there are also some guidance how to talk about some stuff. So what do you think? You are trying to improve your English, maybe this will help. What do you think?
Yes, yeah, it can be help.
Okay,
But the real problem is, am I joined that every day? I cannot ensure you because some days maybe I will busy or I do another things.
okay, okay. Okay, don't worry.
If I join, we can.
discuss. Okay, of course.
discuss. Yes.
Of course, don't worry. Whenever you come, I will try to continue this kind of session every day. But if anyone joins, then we will try to. I think I need to get more people, but I am actually very confused how to get one. Even I am actually broadcasting this, so this is actually live on my YouTube channel. So if I could get some people who are preparing for IELTS exam, then there will be some uh, easily going. So I know what should do. Okay, let's see what happens.
Okay. Do you join? Uh, are you in the Ghost Lang Habib with Go? This group in Discord.
I joined, but I didn't like any conversation, whatever they are saying. So
Okay. It doesn't matter the what are they say, but you can share the in that group. Okay. If anyone have interest with the spoken English, you can join.
I told you that going through everyone and asking them to join actually very embarrassing for me.
Yeah,
Uh,
it's embarrassing, but
okay.
there is no way, right?
Uh, yeah. Then okay, I will try, but let's see what happens. I actually very confused. Okay, I will try from now on. Maybe I will take I will try take a break the next day. I'll just try to market it, and let's see people joins or not. Let's see what happens.
Actually, I sing or I saw that so many people uh, want to learn English, but not this way. They want to learn English in the, like some app, okay,
Mhm.
and try to connection with boys or girls, this type things, and they want to learn English from them.
So actually, talking with an app or AI, whatever you say, even you can try ChatGPT voice or Gemini voice to talk. But is it actually uh, boost the confidence? Because I don't think, because without talking to a real person or in a real
Yeah,
situation,
Actually, they don't understand the emotion and feelings. That's the critical thing. When I talk with even I can, even my speak is not clear, but you can understand, or you can flow off another question. We can jump any direction.
yeah.
But you will be asked, what should I do next, or what the next is really boring.
Yeah, yes, it's boring, and I don't think even people get used to. Actually, I don't think they even finish what they started, because even they are actually trying. This is this is psychology term called shiny object syndrome. So there is some shiny object they are trying to. There is a new app. They think that, oh, if I just install it and if I try it, then I will be speaking with it. But it doesn't work. No one, I didn't see anyone that actually got very fluent or learned a new language, everything from an app. Maybe there 1%, but this is very uncommon. Okay, so uh, I don't think it's actually help
Yeah,
that
it's
much.
really tough to learn new things from app because they don't give you real time environment and the real environment. Okay,
Okay.
and when talks with people or real person, that is the best way to learn English.
Yeah. So Jubar bhai, I think
When talk with AI,
yeah, yeah, go on, go on.
yeah, bro.
No, go, you go. I
Oh,
did.
okay. I tried to say that when I just some app to learn English, right?
Huh.
Actually, I cannot remember that name. So many apps. AI or every app is paid, not free. And there's some limitation, and I used one paid app. just without money, paid but without money in 1 month. But I see there's everything is scripted and you need to memorize everything.
Yeah.
But is it possible to
I don't think nothing.
memorize every sentence, every question?
It's it's very common thing. So
Oh, okay. I want to ask you another question that
yeah.
I see you told me that there is a draft to move the session in before 10 or but you actually did it.
Yeah,
And
but I thought about it.
there is any reason?
Not any particular reason. You said that, and I also had to. I also needed some time. It also it as the nights are actually right now, shorter right now. So even I thought that maybe I should move on. Even and I am not actually going to the market anymore. I used to go market after the after in the after the evening. What is afternoon or whatever. But I am actually preparing and starting right now, so that's why I don't have to go anymore on the market. And even if I go, I will just try to come faster. So that's why I thought let's move it from 9:30 p.m. That's it. Okay, Jubair
Okay,
bhai, I think we are pushing ourselves to talk,
that's good.
but I don't think we have anything to discuss anymore. So do you have any questions or anything to discuss about? We have maybe in 5 minutes we will stop the session or end this session, because I think I have to market it more and bring something different. Then maybe people will start joining.
Okay, I actually I in before joining this session, uh, I think I will keep in the 30 minutes, but it already passed is 40 minutes. And I don't know how it's gone.
Yeah,
And it's okay. And I have no question and other things.
yeah.
And good day, good night, and see you next time.
Okay. Goodbye, Jubair bhai. See you next time.